Hi, I'm Josh with Bellwether, and I'd like to tell you about the work that we do in Arvada. Bellwether was founded in 2017. Since that time, we've become a leader in siding and window replacement. We offer custom solutions for homeowners that are looking to upgrade their home's exterior, whether that's siding, windows, or a siding and window project. We specialize in providing durable, high-quality products with high-quality installations. You don't remodel your home every day, but guess what? We do. We are here to guide you through that process. We're going to walk you through it step by step. Along the way, try to make it the easiest thing you've ever done. Bellwether is a James Hardie Elite Preferred contractor. We are also a Pella Platinum Certified contractor. If you're ready to start your home remodeling journey, give Bellwether a call today for a free consultation.